Ayo, just got this Elkay crosstown 4060 sink kit, and this is something that a lot of the manufacturers have been doing lately, which is awesome. I think that they're giving you everything you need above the plumbing for the sink, faucet, and all the little cool accessories sinks are coming with now. But I just got this thing. It's massive. I think it's like 30 inches. Let's see what we got. Awesome. We got a template. That's good. I got a little cute information card. We got, like, this is what's really cool about these things. They come with, these drains are like, 30 to 60 bucks each. And it's a whole kit. So we got the drain blocker. These are awesome little baskets. Keep crap out of your drain. So 2 of these included. And this is a undermount thicker gauge stainless steel. So this is an expensive sink. This is like with tax probably about $800. Yeah, we got both the drains. You got your little cleaning microfiber cloth. Neat. This I have no idea. Let's see what we got. Oh, this will be the I believe the undermount hardware. Cool. Yeah, it's pretty much everything you need to install your sink above the PVC drains underneath the sink. But oh, this is cool. Another cool feature. A lot of the newer sinks, and this is a 4060 split sink, so it'll have a smaller grate and then the bigger grate. I'm just going to open the smaller one. But these things are awesome. Look at that. 1-year warranty. But you can dry stuff in the sink with these. And it has a hole. I guess you can still launch stuff down your garbage disposal if you're going that route. But nice thick rubber feet. Keeps it up off the bottom. And easy to put in and out of your sink. To clean it and what have you. Let's not bend the template. Hold on. And you always got to check these. I found these fancy sinks when you get them delivered, because I've gotten several that have been all dinged up and beat to hell. And that's not what you want when you get a $800 sink. So it's cool. The faucet was right here in the bottom. Oh yeah, that's nice. More little cute cards and notes and welcome to the club cards. But yeah, so it's good quality. Here's your bezel, diesel. It's hard plastic. I'd prefer this to be some kind of silicone, but it won't really matter. Single hole. It's a single faucet, which is fine. That's what's popular right now. Look at this thing. It's super nice quality. A lot of room here, but looks commercial. The action on this, ooh, smooth like butter. That's what you want. I don't see a weight, so I'm guessing, yeah, it's spring loaded. Doesn't need a counterweight. Pull it down, nice pull down sprayer. You can take this out, wave it around, what have you, and it fits in there real nice. Selectable functions. There's your grommet there. Give me a second. This thing is freaking massive. I hope I can figure this back out. All right. Now let's take a look at the condition of this bad boy. And this is nice. This probably weighs 25, 30 pounds, maybe more, I don't know. It's the moment of truth. Make sure the edges aren't all banged up. Another cool thing in these higher end sinks, sound dampening coating. It's like a paint with sound dampening. You can't really see, but they're on the bottom too. I'll show you in a second. But to me, I'm not noticing any flaws. Yeah, no, this is good. Pleasant surprise. I've in the past ordered sinks from all kinds of different manufacturers, and they were beat to heck in shipping, and it's a shame. But yeah, this thing is lovely. So if you're in the market for a high-end fancy sink, don't be shy on this one. It's really nice. Cool.